I'm just leaving home. I'm going to pick Adon up. We are heading out to other side of Grafton to help another bloke pour today. Chris, his name is. He's a shed builder, concreter. Never worked with him, so yeah. Luke, the puppy, he recommended me to help this guy. So Chris is a Christian bloke as well. So he said it was a prayer being answered. So you know, we'll go up there. We'll give him a hand, and I think it's meant to be a 30-degree day. So hopefully it all goes well. Concrete's not till 9 o'clock, so by the time I get Adon, we'll stop and get a coffee somewhere, and yeah, we'll just hopefully pray that it's a good day today, and just that everything goes smooth, which it should do. Just that later concrete's a bit of a pain, especially on a 30-degree day. It's a shed slab that we're doing, by the way. I'm not sure what size and stuff it is, but yeah, I suppose I'll show you guys when we get up there. We're just pulling into the job, me and Adon. Oh, that's it. It's easy.
Sweet.
Oh, there's another. Oh, there's someone else there too. We're arrived. Oh, the Crocs in there. Hey brother.
Hey legend, how are you mate?
Good, how you doing?
Very good.
Who's GTS concreting?
Queensland mob, look at their it looks sick 18 chopper.
Ah, yeah, big engine.
V8 engine.
Cool, this is a nice little job. Hey bro.
How you going?
Yeah, good, I'm Tom.
Connor, bro.
What's your Connor?
Yeah,
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, too. How you doing? G'day, Chris.
Yeah. What's your name?
Tom.
Tom. Yeah, pleased to meet you.
Did you, Chris?
Yes.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, cool.
This is Connor.
Yep.
Yep.
And this is Adon.
Adon.
Yeah.
Hey Adon. Yeah, I'm Chris.
Yeah, Adon's a Christian as well.
Is he?
Yeah. He actually got me into the church.
Did he?
Come in and he's come down to the church one day.
Yeah.
And I went, oh, all right then.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was Adon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Very good.
Yeah, cool. Oh, this one looks like a nice little job.
Yeah, so we'll screen back this way.
Yep.
To the screen. They're rolled all cutouts.
Yep.
But we'll just mud them up, screen back, and then when we do the arena, we can just roll them down.
Just strip it out and roll it down, yep.
Yeah. So the bottom of the board is the 30mm set down. So you see I set that board with 30mm set down.
Yep.
And that 20mm fall off.
Oh, yep. We'll just screed what out like that, eh?
Yep, to do with that. We don't need the laser there.
Nah, cool.
Once we do the bottom of the board, we can screed across there.
We'll just screed a line from that timber to this bottom here like that, and then just straight down.
Cut back from about here, back down with that. Yeah, just from this slab height. Yeah.
Yep. So that, yep. So this is the roll where you come in the roller door here.
Yeah, one here, one there. Yep. There's another one at the front, but it's just I've just got a pin, so we'll just do that later.
Yeah, no worries. You just show us whatever you want it, and we'll just get in and help. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, no.
This,
Concrete's here. Big Lukey's over there. He good. Lukey's good to pump him in. Rub his sunscreen on. You get a wide brim hat because it's just getting smashed by the sun. Anything else off of here?
no, I think it's about it.
No.
It's got big flash gumboots.
They do the trick.
This is Tessa.
Hey, Tessa.
I got a male and female. We're going to breed them.
Ah, yeah.
She's a licker.
Yeah, she did, right?
Yeah.
How old?
She's about 8 months.
Like water.
50 litres.
This one, oh no, my water.
Oh, and your one.
My water, yeah.
So you're talking about the truck.
No way. That's just making money.
What are you just going to go do the beans first?
Might, I don't know. I think he's going to keep pumping straight down.
I would do the thing with it.
Should I start doing it up? Make a big juice with it?
Yeah, whatever. Just whatever Chris wants to do.
Yep.
I'm happy with whatever, eh?
Top of ball, Chris.
Do you want a vibe?
Yeah, I'm
Are you happy doing that? Where's that? I think it is, eh? When he had the laser on it before. Can you pass us that stick, Aiden? And turn the laser on? I like when people have the same lasers as like we're used to. That's the same as my old receiver. Perfect, that's all. Did you call him Adam? Oh, I think said Adam.
Adam? No. It's your own,
Is all the board, you said the board's all pretty good, Chris?
Might fall a little out of it.
Oh, is he deaf? Hey Chris, was all the board pretty good?
Yeah, but I'll still later as
There you go.
Too much, Lukey?
Yeah.
Do you want to? If you want to do the pads? You want to do the pads?
Oh, whatever, yeah. Should be pretty good.
Yeah.
So good. Yeah, bro. No, you're going good. Get Aiden on there.
Oi, fucker. You want me to swing it back and put a pad in the middle?
Go 3.
So we go a good shoot first and then we come back to it. And then when we're doing a big footing, we always go a little bit more. When you vibrate it, you're going to lose that pad.
Probably don't even really want to vibe it at all, eh? Cool. Wait till he's done that pad and then I reckon we'll vibe it, Aiden. I mean, then we'll bull float it, sorry. I said wait till he does that whole pad, or even let him just bull float it for the first one and then we'll know. You want Aiden to give that a hit with the bull float, Chris, or do you want to leave it for a little bit?
It's up to him.
You want to give it a hit with it? Just go light, just see what it's like, and if it's a bit...
A little bit soft, it might alright.
Alright, cool. No, maybe a little bit. Might just wait till they put a little bit in with the pump so it doesn't slump down. A little bit high at the moment, but...
Second buckle off.
Oh no, that's alright. First one's leaving. Second one here, yeah. Second here, yeah.
Slump's right. Something's good.
Give me just a little, just so when I pull the pad it doesn't just drop straight down, yeah. Thanks, bro.
Slump's better than half.
That good, is it?
Yeah.
The wetter the better, eh?
Yeah. One big day in.
Yeah. Thanks, bro. Wet and zap, eh? That's good. Where's that laser stick? Oh, just there. Pass me that laser stick, Lukey. No, tiny little bit.
You don't even need this now, I see.
Yeah, that's good.
Too much.
That's good.
Yep.
Thanks, bro. Laser. Yep, where's Archie? Doesn't matter. Thanks, Archie. Thanks, mate. Yeah, do you want to screw the rest of that out? I'll set a height in there for you.
We come back that way though?
Yep, come back that way.
It's falling, yeah.
No, it'll just come to pretty much the top of the board. Give me that height stick, I'll put a pad in for you and you screed it. And I'll go up and give Chris a hand. So you pass me that laser, Aiden. I'll put a height for you here. Should be pretty much. The board, Aiden. Pretty much the top of this. That's it. Let's go along with that mag and just mag it in. I'll come back. I'll come back in a minute. I'll just full float up. Sorry, no, it's all good. Aiden's going to screed a little bit. Hopefully we might have enough. Nah, I don't know. That's it, don't cut any more than that, bruv. That's it. Right over that, that's it. And just try to go as quick as you can, Aiden, but it's neat. Just try to go as fast as you can, but as neat as you can too. Only because we'll get over there and help them. Maybe that's a little bit too much. That's it. It's pretty wet, so it's... What's he got a little bit left in there?
That's it, mate, yeah.
Oh, that's him.
Is that there?
No, just, we've got to get another truck, do we?
Yeah, we're going to have to. Thank you very much, mate. Tommy, what do you reckon there?
Do you want to, hey Chris, you want to do a measure up and I can...
You've got me, you'll do it if you want.
Yeah, so it's 2.5. Let's go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6 meters.
6 metres.
So what's that?
Meters by 2.5.
What's it, 120 thick or something?
It's supposed to be 110.
110, so...
So what's that measure? 6 by 2.5 by 0.11.
What is it?
6 by 2.5.
By 2.5 by
0.11.
0.11. 1.65, what if you get...
3.5?
No, 2?
1.65, that's
2 cube.
2 cube.
Allow for that little bit of thicken.
No, 2 cube with my boom. Easy.
Cool, we're going good. What's that? I think he's going to set the height and we'll go a little bit down on the board. You all right there, Aiden? How wide's that? 2.5? We go the 2/4 screed, it's easy. Sorry, I didn't mean to take them few out, Ado. I didn't mean to take them few out. They'll nearly get you, eh? I'll throw another one in.
One more.
Yep.
Tom, are you recording right now?
Yeah, bro.
Oh.
Why is that? Well, I'll get you while you're doing nothing, eh? I'll throw that up on there, eh? Maybe get that other 2/4, Aiden. Get that 2/4 off my ute. good, Luke, yeah.
There's your bucket of water there too, Buzz.
Oh, sweet. I'll need someone to pass it, run it through there and on the top again. Yeah, I'll get all that in there if you don't want.
Need one extra bloke, eh?
Yeah, it'll help.
She's starting to go down there.
Right, we'll get it. We'll get it up. I'll need someone to probably pass me an edger too.
Hey man.
I'll need someone to pass me an edger once it starts going. Maybe pass me that now. I'll just run it through there. Okay. Cheers.
Do you want that other edger? Oh.
He's got it. Right.
What do you want me to do? Keep going down there?
Yeah.
I've just got to do that bit at the end. Let's get starting to go.
Yeah, man. Just so everyone knows, it's soft here where I'm standing. I'm just filming. Soft, but then hard. Back up behind me. Anyway, we'll get it. Oh yeah, cool. Because if I just left that, see that, there's a 10mm gap under that. Thanks, Adon. If you just sprinkle me a bit and then just leave the full shovel there and I'll use it once I strip that board out. That's a pain that that's all wet. Yeah. Like, that would have been nice to strip that out. That's good.
Enough?
Yeah, that'll be good.
There?
Just leave it behind you there somewhere. Yeah, thanks for that. Just you know, do what you keep doing. You're doing good. This is just rock. Trying to make it work. Because they wet this concrete down. You know, they've been doing it wrong. Pumping. Yep. Now go this way, 12 ways. Yep. And go all the way up and just that, and then trowel the edges out. That's it, like a bull float. Bring my ute over and get the little machine off. And then bring the ute over, and if you boys just put that there, I'll jump down. Burnt up. That middle there. I nearly get him. That's nice, Adon. Nice work. Oh man. That's it, Adon. Going alright? Yeah. Going good, eh? You might have to get that rock for me, Adon. Just turn him off. Turn the revs down. And turn him off. Just get them couple of rocks for me. That's it, and then I might be able to Fresno it out. That's good, yep. I'll let you know. Let me Fresno. I'll tell you if you need to. Yeah, you might have to hit that boot mark. Oh, I might be able to get it. I got it. Actually, just go into that. Just there. Yep, hold it there. Hold it. That's it. Now go back. Go. That's it. That's all you got to do. What's that?
Can I use this?
Yeah, of course, yeah. Alright, me and Adon are just leaving for the day. It is nearly 3:30. That's a pretty big day, pretty full on. Heat got us a little bit, but we got there. So it was good working with Chris and Connor. They were good, and praise God for the good outcome. And yeah, the homeowner will be happy. I'm sure they will be. I'll see you guys in the next video.